What is big data? Any industry that produces substantial datasets that are challenging to evaluate using traditional methods is referred to as employing big data. Yisong Yue, a professor of mathematics and computers. Huge data is more than simply big. It is enormous, cluttered, and mushrooming. Big data is characterized by the three verses, as identified by IT industry strategist Douglas Laney in 2001, the enormous volume of information, the velocity with which it continually accumulates, and the variety of formats involved. Big data is too complex for humans or traditional software to analyze. The expansion of data has been accelerated by the creation of faster processors, better computer memory, cloud architectures, the network of internet connections, and online gadgets. In the 1990s, computer scientists realized that machine learning of some kind would be required to assess. In the 1990s, computer scientists realized that machine learning of some kind would be required to process and make use of the enormous amounts of data we gather. Machine learning algorithms are trained nowadays to recognize certain types of information in datasets, separate signal from noise, find trends, and offer insights. This training is frequently done with human feedback. Big data is necessary for and drives machine learning since the algorithms get more efficient the larger the dataset. Big data, where is it? Big data is particularly linked to information stored on public computer storage networks, the so-called cloud. Computers, other internet-connected gadgets, and sensors continuously feed in data. It may also have been converted from paper and film to digital format, or it might have come from magnetic or optical media and drives. What causes it, and where does it go? The text in free email and social media accounts, electricity and gas meter readouts, light from millions of stars captured by survey telescopes, geolocations of birds outfitted with tracking devices, metrics on driving and braking speeds for usage-based insurance, phone records, medical records, logs of the geological formations encountered when oil wells are drilled. Every activity that is recorded generates data. In reality, the list is limitless. Data is frequently shared or sold by organizations, and then used for marketing and other functions unrelated to those for which it was first created. This simultaneously presents new options and paths for discovery while also raising concerns about privacy and other ethical issues.